Hi everyone, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can retrieve or find the password of that Wi-Fi network that your computer is connected to using the graphical user interface on Windows 10. Let us begin. Look for Control Panel and click on it. If you don't have it on your desktop, you can go to the search bar down here and type in Control Panel and click Enter. So once it opens up, look for Network and Internet, and under Network and Internet, click on View Network Status and Statistics. So here you will see the active network that your computer is connected to. And in my case, I'm connected to a Wi-Fi that is called My Neighbor Sucks. Click on it. Once it opens up, look for wireless properties and also click on this. So here a dialog box will be shown showing that we have connection and security, and now we are interested in security. So under security here you will see that we have the security type of that network, the authentication type of that network, and for our case is WPA2 personal. And then you will see encryption type, which is AES, and then we have the network security key, and this is our password that we're looking for. We have a checkbox from which we can allow to show characters of that password. So once we click on it, you'll see that the password will no longer be hidden. So in our case it is 1 up to 0. I hope this has been informative. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and also share. If you're interested in finding or retrieving passwords using command line, I've done this video and it is down in the description. Thank you.